Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will teach you how you can turn off sensitive content on Telegram really quickly. So let us get started. Now, if you accidentally turn on or enable sensitive content and now you would like to hide it from your Telegram account, there's a simple fix for that, guys. All you need to do is close the Telegram application on your Android or on your mobile device and access Telegram through the web application. To do that, open Google Chrome or any other web browser you use on your phone, and after that type in the search bar Telegram app or simply Telegram and pick the first search entry you see below. After that, Telegram will ask you to log in with your phone number, so type your phone number here. You will also receive a one-time verification code via your Telegram application. So make sure you copy that and paste it here. After that, confirm the login, wait for the login process to be finished. And here inside your account in the web application, simply tap on these three lines here to the left, select settings from that drop-down menu, select privacy and security. And in the privacy and security section, scroll down a bit till you get to that section here called sensitive content, and to turn sensitive content off, simply unselect this option here. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.